Weddings were canceled, concert venues were all empty graveyards, while we all prayed for a vaccine. The government poured tons of research money for Project Warp Speed to lead a scientific spree. This is the time. People were screaming, not leaving, so sick of mass freedoms fleeing and all of the quarantining. For the last time, how vaccines grant you immunity. A cell type B makes key antibodies. They bind to things that are presented by the MHC. Macrophage recruited antigen, hasta la vista, baby. Before we used to use killed virus or viral particles to stimulate immunity. Now we can use mRNA to make the proteins instead. Central dogma biology. Did you hear the Nobel Prize for Medicine recognized? Doctors Carrico and Weiss. Decades of time. They made a tool versatile for flu, COVID, or West Nile. Proof safe in clinical trials. With time. How can this be? Greenlit by month 13. Don't we need proof of efficacy? mRNA's been used for decades in oncology. We have tons of safety data from people in phase 3. Over 5 billion people now have gotten vaccinated, and skeptics still are throwing shade. There are no microchips, a vaccine breaks down before it can affect your genes or DNA. Vaccines, mRNA vaccines, vaccines, degrade so rapidly, vaccines, Internet can't agree, but don't take it from me. IVT makes mRNA vaccines, but still you need some chromatography. Encapsulation is required to make the LNP. Formulation follows cryotics, promotes stability.
If you want to learn more, visit our website at nctm.tamu.edu.